This is a quick reference before you go to test on exponents. Let us revise some formulae. X to the power m is written as x is multiplied by x is multiplied by x m times. Here, x is the base and m is the exponent. Remember, these are all numbers but written in an algebraic form. X to the power m is a way of expressing a number like 5 to the power 4, which is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which equals, that's right, 625. In this example, the base is equal to 5 and the exponent is equal to 4. You must remember to avoid a very common mistake that students make. 5 to the power minus 2 is not the same as minus 5 to the power 2. The first is a case of positive base raised to a negative power, and the second is a negative base with a positive power. Any number raised to 0 is always 1. The reverse is also true. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. Also, any number raised to the power 1 is itself. The number x can be written as x to the power 1. Remember, when the power is an integer, even powers are positive and odd powers are negative. A negative number raised to an even power is always positive. Minus 2 raised to power 2 is plus 4. Also, if a negative number is raised to an odd power, the result will be negative. Minus 3 raised to 3 is minus 27. Any number raised to a negative exponent is equal to 1 upon the same number raised to the positive exponent. In other words, when the exponent moves from the numerator to the denominator, the sign changes. So, 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Also, 1 upon 5 to the power minus 3 is the same as 5 to the power 3. Notice how the sign changes when it moves from the numerator to the denominator? Now let us understand how a number is written. When the exponent is a fraction, square root of 4 can be written as 4 to the power half, or 1 over 2. Cube root of 4 can be written as 4 to the power 1 over 3. Fourth root of 4 can be written as 4 to the power 1/4, and so on. Therefore, the nth root of any number x can be written as x to the power 1 over n, where x is the base and 1 over n is the exponent. Now, let us understand the number written as x to the power m upon n. We know that upon n in the exponent means nth root of the number x raised to m. Understand this carefully. Now, let us understand the laws of exponents. These laws apply in all cases, whether the base is positive or negative, or whether the exponent is positive, negative, 0, or a fraction. When two numbers in the exponent form with the same base are multiplied, then simply add their exponents. When two numbers in the exponent form but with the same base are divided, then subtract the exponents. X raised to the power m is then raised further to the power n is written as. This is equal to x raised to m multiplied by n. Remember, there is no law when two numbers in exponent form are added or subtracted. Students generally make a mistake when two or more numbers in the exponent form are added or subtracted. When two numbers are in the exponent form but with the different bases x and y are multiplied and are raised to the same exponent m, then it's the same x raised to m multiplied by y raised to m. Remember, the reverse is also true. When two numbers in the exponent form but with different bases, x and y are divided and are raised to m, the same exponent. This is the same as x raised to m divided by y raised to m. Remember, the reverse is also true. Now, let us look at all the laws we have revised together. Now let us examine how to use exponents to express very small numbers like 20 divided by 10 lakhs, or very large numbers like 5 multiplied by 10 lakhs. The trick here is to understand the exponents of 10. Notice that when the number is 100, that is with two zeros, the number can be written as 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. When the number is 1000, that is with 3 zeros, the number can be written as 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, and so on. Going back to our example of 20 divided by 10 lakhs, this will result in a number of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. Such a number has the decimal point 5 places to the left of 2. Now, going to the example of 5 multiplied by 10 lakhs, this will result in a number 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Such a number is 6 places to the right of 5. In our examples, 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5 and 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 are ways of expressing very small and very large numbers using the exponent form. Such a method of expressing is also called expressing in a standard form. Now you can go to test on exponents. Good luck!